Hello, today we are going to review for our Chapter 4 test that we'll be doing tomorrow. So please take out Chapter 4 Review, Lesson 4.11, pages 101 and 102. Alrighty, so the first thing we need to do is come up here to number 1, and we're going to count how many things there are and circle the correct number. So I have 2 floaties, so I need to circle the number 2. Over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tiles, so I need to circle the number 5. For number 3, they want me to look at each row. There are 3 rows here, and beside each row is the place to write how many items are in each row. In this first row I have 1 person, so I need to write the number 1. In this second row I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 swimmers. I need to write the number 4. In the third row I have 1, 2, 3. So I will write the number 3. I've counted how many are in each row and I've written the number beside it. For number 4, they want me to draw 5 objects. The number they give me is 5, and I need to represent 5. So I'm just going to make 5 circles, making it clear and simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The only thing that matters here is that you can easily see that you have drawn 5 objects and that you can count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Be careful not to overlap your objects because it makes it difficult to count them. Turning over to page 102, let's see what we need to do here. For number 1, they would like us to connect the dots. So I need to begin by looking at the smallest number in my group. The smallest number I have here is not 1, but 0. So I'm going to begin at 0. So after 0 comes 1. I will go over here to 1, and then I'll go down to 2, then 3, continuing to count to 4, and then up to 5. And 5 is my last number. For number 2, I need to go look at this graph, and I need to circle which one I have more of. So I can look at this graph for each dog, and I can see that the one that has the most is this dog right here. This dog has more than any of the other dogs. Number 3 is over here, so I need to count the animals first, write the number on the line, and then I'm going to circle which group has more. So here I have 2 little hedgehogs, so I need to write 2. Here I have 3 chicks, so I'm going to write 3. Now I need to circle the group that is more. Well, 3 is more than 2. I need to circle the group of 3. For number 4, they want me to write the number and then circle the group that has less. So let's begin by counting. 1, 2, 3 hamsters, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hermit crabs. I need to circle the group that has fewer or less. There are 3 hamsters. 3 is less than 5. At the bottom, they've given me 2 rows, and each row has some missing numbers. These rows do not continue. They're both separate, so I need to look at each of them individually. This top row, I have the first number missing, and then it's followed by a 4 and a 5. So I'm going to count backwards to figure out the missing number. So 5, 4, well, the number that comes before 4 is 3. And now I can easily count and see that this is correct. 3, 4, 5. On the bottom row, the last number is missing. So they've given me a 0 and a 1. What would come after 1? 2 would come after. So I need to write a 2. That's a 2. It's hard to see because of my thing. Let me do a better one over beside it so now you can see. All right, and that's all we need to do to prepare for tomorrow's test. Our test will be almost identical to this, so if you have any questions, be sure you ask. Good luck. Have a great day.